Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud. To know how to find a solution about SoundCloud, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of SoundCloud and you will enter here in this page. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then this page we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about SoundCloud, and if you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.